Hello, welcome dear learners, good day and greetings. I'm teacher Waleed Risk, and I'm here to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Hello, good day and greetings. Welcome to Ruaa Infinite, dear learners all over the world.
Our lessons are made just for you.
Whoever you are, whatever you are, wherever you are.
That's me, teacher Waleed, mark my words. I'm speaking to you with love and purpose. Millions are learning worldwide.
Be the one who learns smart.
This is not just a lesson, this is a movement. A journey of learning that starts here and echoes for years to come. Because at Ruaa Infinite, we don't just teach, we inspire.
Whether you're learning for daily life, business, IELTS, traveling, or improving your career, we've got the right lessons for you.
Discover over 1,500 essential vocabulary words, grammar tips,
And expert lessons. Designed just for you.
Designed to help you succeed, this program is your perfect companion.
whether you're just starting or aiming for fluency.
This guide will supercharge your English journey.
One exciting step at a time.
Explore more at ruaainfinite.com. At Ruaa Infinite, we focus on real-life English skills.
So you can speak,
Listen, read,
And write with confidence.
our lessons cover daily conversations,
and grammar, pronunciation,
And business English to help you succeed in any situation. Only 1% can master them all. Are you one of them?
train your ears with real English sounds, speak clearly and confidently. Boost your fluency like never before.
just minutes a day. That's all it takes to level up your English. Sharpen your skills and speak with confidence. Real English, real speed. No slow, boring lessons here. This is not just a lesson. This is your challenge, your opportunity. Let's lift your English, one word at a time.
Ask us and inshallah we'll do our best to answer as soon as possible.
Join the full course at ruaainfinite.com.
I'm teacher Waleed, and today we're saving amazing daily words you must know. Let's start. Word 1, cup. A cup is a small container used to drink things like tea or water.
Here's your cup of tea. What's next? Owais sat quietly on the balcony, watching the golden sunlight touch the trees. Birds chirped gently, and the soft breeze carried the scent of morning.
Ruba came out smiling, holding a warm cup. She said, "Here's your cup of tea." Owais smiled and took it carefully. "Thanks, I needed this," he said. They sat side by side, sipping tea and enjoying the peaceful start to the day. The world felt calm and everything seemed just right. I washed the cup after drinking juice. Can I have a cup of water?
Word 2, plate. A plate is a flat dish we use to serve food. We put rice, meat, vegetables, or anything delicious on it. Everyone uses plates at home, in restaurants, and at parties too.
At dinner, Mama placed the hot food on the plate. It smelled amazing.
He said, "Be careful, my plate is full of food."
I like my blue plate with flowers on it.
She told me, "Your plate is full."
The plate broke on the floor. Give me a clean plate, please.
TV is not good. Balance is best. Metal strong and shiny. Cloth and foam soft and comfortable for sitting. We use chairs at home, chair to eat, work, study, or rest.
I heard someone say, "Please sit on the chair." He looks around, curious. Huh? Who said that? Suddenly, he gasps. It sounds like, "Teacher Waleed." He jumps up and runs to his small desk. "Quick! My English class is starting. I have to be ready."
He straightens the chair, grabs his book, and sits down. The screen lights up, and Teacher Waleed appears, smiling.
Great job, Owais. You're ready to learn. Let's begin our English class.
"Yes, Teacher Waleed, I'm ready."
When you hear please sit on the chair,
Flat surface. People
Put my book on the table.
there was a big table in the classroom. Let's sit at the table for dinner.
Today most people use smartphones. They can do many things like make voice or video calls, send text messages, take pictures and videos, listen to music, watch videos or cartoons, play games, use apps for learning, shopping, and more. Phones connect to the internet so we can talk to friends and family anywhere in the world. Phones are small, easy to carry, and very useful in everyday life. But remember, we should use phones wisely and not for too long.
He said, answer your phone quickly.
My phone battery is low. Can I use your phone to call my mother?
Word 8 window, an opening in the wall for light and air.
I heard the window is open.
Rain came through the window. Can you open the window a little? Rain. I like your new shoes.
Teen, a wristwatch is a small clock that you wear on your wrist. It helps you tell the time wherever you go. Wristwatches can be made of different materials like metal, plastic, or leather. Some have numbers on the face, while others have digital screens. Wristwatches are small and easy to carry, so you can keep track of time all day.
He said, check your watch.
My watch stopped working. I wear a smartwatch.
14 water, a liquid we drink to stay alive. It is clear, fresh, and found in rivers, lakes, oceans, and even the sky as rain. Water keeps our bodies strong, helps plants grow, gives animals life, and fills our earth with beauty. Let's talk a little about this amazing gift from Allah. Water means life, and planet Earth is the planet of life. What is water? Water is a clear, tasteless liquid that we drink every day to stay alive. But water is more than just a drink. It's everywhere, and it's essential for all living things.
Owais runs in with wide eyes. Teacher Waleed, did you know the earth is mostly water?
Yes, Owais. In fact, 71% of the earth is covered in water. That includes oceans, rivers, lakes, and even water in the air and underground.
Ruaa smiles and points to the globe. Wow, oceans, rivers, lakes, it's everywhere! Even in the clouds and in our juice.
Why is water important?
Teacher Waleed explains with joy.
For humans need water to drink, cook, clean, and stay fresh. Keeps our body healthy and hydrated. Helps us cool down when it's hot. We use it for cooking, cleaning, and washing. For animals. Animals drink water and live in it, like fish in the sea. Animals need water to drink, clean themselves, and stay cool. Fish and sea animals live in water. For plants. Plants grow strong and green because of water. Plants need water to grow. Without water, plants would dry out and die. For nature. Nature needs water to make rain, rivers, and waterfalls. Water creates rivers, waterfalls, and beautiful oceans. It helps make clouds and rain through the water cycle.
Without water, we can't live.
Without water, trees won't grow. Without water, fish have no home.
Let's save water. Water is precious, we must not waste it. Here's how you can help. Turn off the tap when brushing your teeth. Fix leaking pipes. Collect rainwater for plants. Don't use more water than you need.
I promise to turn off the tap when brushing my teeth.
I will never play with water or waste it again. I'll help Mama collect rainwater for the plants. Teacher Waleed smiles proudly.
That's amazing, guys. Water is precious, and you are all heroes for protecting it. Final message. Water is life. Let's respect it, protect it, and use it wisely, so the earth stays alive and happy for everyone.
Thank you, Teacher Waleed. We will protect water and teach others too. And you, yes you, what will you do to save water? Someone said, drink more water.
The water is cold today. Can I have a glass of water?
Word 15, bread, a common food made from flour. It is soft, tasty, and loved around the world. Bread gives us energy and is made from wheat that grows in the ground.
Ruaa. I love bread, but where does it come from?
Owais. I thought it just comes from the bakery.
Ruba, excitedly. Let's ask Teacher Waleed. He always teaches us with love and knows many things.
Teacher Waleed, smiling.
You're right to be curious, kid. Bread starts with tiny wheat seeds. I'm happy to share what I've learned with you, inshallah. Here we go. Bread starts with tiny wheat seeds. Farmers plant them, and with Allah's blessing, sunshine, water, and care, they grow into golden wheat fields.
Teacher Waleed continues.
Then we mix the flour with water, a little yeast, and bake it to make warm, soft bread.
Owais, subhanallah, wow, bread comes from nature.
Ruba, that's amazing. I'll never waste bread again. Ruaa, let's teach the world how special bread is.
Exactly. Bread gives us energy, fills our bellies, and brings families together. So let's always be thankful and never waste it. Alhamdulillah for every bite.
He asked, do we have any bread?
The bread smells fresh. I ate some bread with cheese.
19 food, what we eat to get energy.
He asked, is the food ready?
The food smells delicious. Let's eat some. She uses the computer for homework. The computer is not working. I tried turning it off and on again, but the screen stays black. I even checked the cables, but nothing changed. I really need it for my homework, and now I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll ask Teacher Waleed for help.
This video took many days, many long hours, with no breaks, to bring every detail to life.
Every scene was crafted with care to create a fun and easy learning environment with stunning visuals just for you.
If you found value in our work, please support us by subscribing, leaving a like, and sharing your thoughts in the comments.
Your support means the world to us. You're also welcome to visit our website, ruaainfinite.com anytime. And ask us any questions. We're always here to help you learn and grow. We answer every question with care.
You did amazing, guys.
Thank you, Teacher Waleed.
Remember to practice these amazing activities every day. Visit ruaainfinite.com to review, download, and master more vocabulary.
Need help or have questions? Come join us at Ruaa Infinite. I'm here for you.
Learning is fun when we do it together. Let's explore more at ruaainfinite.com. We're your team. Just visit Ruaa Infinite and let's grow our English, one word at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And remember, you're never alone in your English journey.
All rights reserved to Ruaa Infinite. One does it all. Learning English is just a click away. Reliable, effective, and fast. Visit our website, ruaainfinite.com, and master English with ease. Thank you for your attention. Keep learning, keep growing, and never stop improving your English. Got a question about English? Ask us anytime, and we'll respond right away. Join our English Students Hub and connect with learners worldwide. We provide resources for all levels from beginners to advanced. Your English journey starts now. Explore more at ruaainfinite.com. But that's not all. Ruaa Infinite is more than just learning. Shop unique products and books, or promote your business and services to a global audience. Discover our offerings main website, ruaainfinite.com. Hot deals, ruaainfinite.com/hot-deals. Books collection, browse educational materials and more at ruaainfinite.com/shop. If you find benefit in our work, please share it with your friends, family, and anyone eager to learn. Let's grow together with care and dedication. With Ruaa Infinite by your side, success is always within reach, one humble step at a time.